Hey, what to do, y'all? This your boy Charlie from CR3 Home Services. Hey, I'm in another DIY video of how to do it yourself. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change out a wall electrical outlet. And the key thing is to be safe, because you don't want to get shocked or electrocuted. So I'm going to show you step by step what to do and the safest way to do it. Let's get it.
Alright, you guys, these are the tools that you need to change out an electric outlet. These are wire strippers. This is a screwdriver. These are needle noses. And these are a pair of pliers.
Alright, y'all, basically you want to do is find your electrical panel box. Normally it's in the house, in one of your bedrooms, or it might be outside, or it might be in the garage. Just depends on how the house is built. Alright, just open this up. You want to read on the description. Sometimes it has, receptacles and all that on the side, but it'll tell you your main format, what you need to look for. Most time you're looking for a power source for your receptacle. It usually be one of these smaller 20 ounce or 30 ounce breakers. So basically you just want to find that and hit that breaker. Alright, y'all, now since we killed the breaker, you just want to make sure I got a portable heater that I'm finna plug up. Make sure there's no power to this heater. No power to the heater. Not coming on. You can either plug your phone up, whatever makes you guys comfortable. Just be safe while you're doing it. Since there's no power to this outlet now we can proceed with the next step. Alright, let's get it. Alright, y'all, so now we got the breaker turned off. Basically you wanna unscrew this screw that's holding the cover to the electrical outlet. Unscrew that just like this. Pull the screw out. And take the cover off just like that. So now this is the electrical outlet right here. So it has a screw up top and it has a screw at the bottom. You want to unscrew the top part. Alright, boom, got that unscrewed. Now I'm going for the bottom. See it moving? Yes. Loosen it up. Alright. Getting them screws out of there now. Alright. So now, alright you guys, the next step is, see I can freely move it now. And it got two wires on the left side. As you can see, it has two wires on the right side, as you can see. And it has a ground wire going at the bottom. So what you want to do is take these wires are loose from the receptacle. Sometimes it be so stuck you might have to cut a little bit. Alright you guys, what they did when they installed this electrical outlet, they wired it up from the back like so. Normally how you wire it up, you wire it in these screws. That's on the left hand side and the right hand side. So what you need to do is get your wire strippers, and where it's going inside in the back where the wire is at, you want to cut as closest you can to it so you can have a lot more wiggle room to get into. Not back here, because you're going to cut and you ain't going to have no wire to go in there, so don't make that mistake. Cut, boom, like that. Got one of them loose. You want to start on one side instead of just keep cutting. Boom, got that loose. And start on this other side. Get these neutral wires loose. Boom, got that loose. And boom, got that loose. So now we got it loose, you guys. And I'm gonna unscrew this ground wire, because the ground wire is screwed
surprisingly. And you do that just like this. Unscrew that ground wire. Just like that. Boom. Got the old electrical outlet out of there. You see what I was talking about in the back? How they had it wired through the back. Normally you wire through these screws from the left side and the right side, and they had the ground wire hooked up right there, as y'all can see. Alright, let's get it. Here goes the next step. So the next step, you want to cut some of this insulation off these wires. You got 2 black wires and you got 2 white wires. The black wires are your hot wires. So you want to strip some of these insulation off about 1/4 inch. As so. There. Just like that. And one more. Just like that. Just like that. Alright you guys, here's the new outlet right here, and you want to make sure you wiring it up right. So on the back side, it will show you hot side and it will show you white side. So the hot side mostly always go on the right hand side, and the white will go on the left side. Now it's time to hook your wiring up. I'm gonna shoot for the hot side first, and that'll be your right side. Alright, time to hook it up. And make sure when you guys hooking up, y'all screw the screw in so it can have a good connection to it. Let's see, do it pretty tight. Alright. Alright, I got one in, you guys. Alright, get this bottom one in now. Alright. Alright, you guys. We officially got the hot side connected good and screwed in well. Now let's go to the other side. Let's get it. Alright you guys, now to connect the white side on the screws. Alright, I got the top part connected now. And I'm gonna shoot for the bottom part. Alright y'all, we got the white part connected now. Now, finna connect the ground wire back on. There's this little green screw right here. And that's that bare wire right here. That's your ground bare wire.
Alright, y'all. We got all our connections connected now. Let's move on to the next step. Alright, you guys, you want to just push your wiring back so you can get your outlet back in how it's supposed to go. And you want to screw it back in those same holes that you screw it the old one out of. Alright, got it in good enough so I can get the top in now. You want to straighten your outlet out so it won't be crooked. Just like that. Alright, y'all. That's tight in there right there. Alright. I even bought a new cover for the electrical outlet. And it's real nice. That's nice. Now I'm screwing the cover back on now. Alright. Got the cover on now. Alright, you guys. That's how you change out an electrical outlet receptacle. Make sure you guys turn back on the breaker that you guys turned off to kill the power to this bad boy. And once you turn the power back on, make sure you test it out. I got that heater that I had earlier to test mine out. Alright. Look like we got power, you guys. Sound like a plan. The reason why we changed this bad boy out is because it was real loose. The plug was leaning and coming right out. This one is much more sturdier. And that's it. So you guys like, subscribe, comment on my YouTube channel, and follow my other social medias at CR3 Home Services. And y'all be blessed. Thank you for your time.